Jan Anna Lanyaro, a student of Archbishop Lane Secondary School. Currently I'm a vacance, and actually I've just registered to be trained at Padeton Parish, and I just feel it is something big, but I'm eager to learn as many packages as possible. Saint City will help me when I join A-level, and I gain many skills before, and I'm not stranded. I therefore I call upon other people to come and join us, and also register so that we are trained, because it is beneficial to us.
Wood Pajo.